Welcome to Progressive E. We're installing some grip, finally, on Truett's bike. You missed the fun because I thought I was recording, but realised I wasn't recording, and we cut the old tyre that doesn't fit off with a grinder because we're lazy. Well, we're not lazy, just time poor. Efficient. Efficient's the word, Jared. Yes. So let's get into it.
Thinking all I did was wrong. Guess you got all you wanted. Yeah, I don't know why suddenly you're gone. You'll never be forgotten. Pretending no one is to blame. Too late to reignite our flame. How did I not see you running? How did I get left behind? How did I not see this? Impacted us all around. When you were pushing me away, I should have tried to give you space and get out of your way. How did I not see this coming? You leaving one day.
Right, 16-inch tyre. She touches just a little bit. Got a little bit of touch on the chain, but all in all, I'm pretty happy with this gold tyre. Yeah, let's rip it. Yeah, she feels sick already. Like you lean it over and it bites. I mean, that's to be expected.
What?
I'm just gonna go straight into the mud. Just give it the herbs.
How do you feel torque-wise? Feel fine?
Yeah, it's definitely less.
Okay.
It's less, not pulling up as hard. Oh no! Rightio, first rip on the 16. Let's see what I've been missing out on. Grip, that's what I've been missing out on. Oh my God. It feels pretty awesome. That feels pretty awesome. I'm not gonna lie. I'm liking that. I'm liking that a lot. Feels weird on the back. On the back wheel. Yeah. Not so much flex.
Bigger time.
Yeah, it's definitely made for the mud. The second you get on the hard pack, feels really weird.
Yeah, I thought that too though. It's fine. You'll just get used to it. And like, it's only good for freezing you when it's got like real sharp knuckles and shit.
Yep.
Does it sound more dirt bike though? Because that's what I like when I change that.
Yeah, yeah.
More like,
And it's and it hits the chain a little bit too.
so take a bit more off.
Yeah. I need a KO motor though. I need a KO motor. It's not much get up and boogie anymore.
Oh, one coming.
Wow, you can really sit into it. That feels pretty cool. You can really lay into it. Like in the corners, you can just bank so hard. We're chewing the battery though. Yeah, like you can really lay into it in the corners. I mean, that's to be expected, but it feels, I think I prefer the feeling of this over the 18. I don't know, I'm very biased, but because it's on my bike, but definitely, oh, that feels cool. That balances out better. Yeah, the bite's just there.